Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to put an image in text in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started with logging into your account. So here in the upper right corner, we'll have the login option, and you can even go ahead and get started creating a new account if you do not already have one. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can get started with opening a photo editor. So let's go ahead and click on it right here to get started with opening it up. And now we can get started opening the image. I already have my image right here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it and select it, and now I can get started with editing. So guys, let's say that we want to put our text in an image right here. This is how to get started. So here is our toolbar with all the options that we have, like arrange, crop, cutout, and so on that we can use. But what we're going to use is the text option right here. So you want to go ahead and use your text. Basically guys, you want to go ahead and add this text on a new layer. So you click to create a new layer that's going to be empty, where you're going to go ahead and select your text. So add the text right here, and now after selecting your text and editing, you can select whatever you want. You can select the opacity and so on, and you can go ahead and add your effects that you need right here. So after you have added your effects, you can see that there is an option right here that you can use as a background. So here you can go ahead and select the background color if you want, but after adding your background, now we can get started with adding the image. So basically, to be able to put that image in a text, you have to play around with the layers option right here. So go ahead and make your text transparent and then put it behind the second layer. And after that, the text is going to appear as an image that you'll be able to see. But yeah, guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.